In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again, tap on Font and Display Size. And last but not least, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. When you're ready, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!